people, it's V. You are here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, be sure to subscribe. If you enjoy this video, here I do a lot of different things: salon work, try on hauls, vlogs, hair education, all different type of stuff. I do a whole lot of different things on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and also hit the cute little notification bell. That way you can get a notification each time your girl upload, because you never know what I'm coming with. Surprises, you know what I'm saying? Spontaneity, you feel me? That's me. I'ma just do what I want to do. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. Today I'm here with a little something different. I feel like I have said today I'm here with something different like quite often in my past couple of videos, but it is what it is. I am enjoying my YouTube channel and I am enjoying putting these videos out here. And also, speaking of that, thank you guys for the feedback. I've been getting a lot of great feedback and it really helps, you know, give me a little momentum behind the madness. Working out, trying to be on this health journey, trying to eat better, trying to make better choices, better decisions when it comes to my eating habits and working out and health and all that stuff all together. As you guys may know, as you have seen my last two videos, my birthday vlog, your girl just turned 29. So this is my last year in my 20s, and this year I just have been really trying to just get better with being consistent with having my health a focus. I've just been going through a little moment of reflection. You know how it is that around a birthday or after a birthday, you kind of get to thinking about like, okay, how did I make this year pop, or what did I not do, what did I do? You kind of go through a method of reflection. I know, at least for me, I do, because I'm always working on how I can be better and how I can be my best self. So with that being said, I have just been doing some reflecting, and although I've been working out 11 months and I am stronger, and I do like my endurance that I have now. I do like how my body has shifted fat into muscle. There are still a lot of things that I am just not satisfied with, and I want better from myself and for myself, with my body, with my general health, mostly my internal health, so it can reflect on the outside. Like, I no longer am about quick fixes. Ooh, let me hurry up and get this little look going or whatever. Like, I genuinely want wealth, and wealth includes health. Health is wealth, okay? So I genuinely want that from the inside out. There are still some challenges that I have with food. Hashtag carb me please. Like, carbs are like, they're like my best frenemy. I don't know what's up, pasta, bread, cake, you know. And so now I'm just at a point now where I'm like, okay, I really truly want to understand my body. I really truly want to eat for my body type and my body goals, and I want to keep that going. I don't want to do any fad diets. I don't want to do anything that's inconvenient for me, or that takes a lot of time, or that takes a lot of focus out of the rest of my life. So with that being said, me and Bae have agreed to try HelloFresh. Hello! We have agreed to try HelloFresh because my girlfriend, she works a lot, I work a lot, and our schedules sometimes are different, or conflicting. She may be off when I'm not, and I may be off when she's not, and she works really long shifts. So, and I work really long shifts as well, but when I say really long for her, I'm talking about 24-hour shifts, child. She be at work. So with that being said, like, it's really tough. Like, we've been trying different techniques and different, you know, maybe I'll prep the food and then you cook it, or I'll make sure this is seasoned and ready and then you can do this part, or I'll get, you know, we've been shooting our shot, trying to figure out what works best for our household, our lifestyle. And and also for our health goals. So we decided, hey, why not give one of these food delivery services a try? The closest that we've done to that so far has been Instacart, which they drop off your groceries. But I stopped liking it because, child, it be high school students working in the grocery store. And they don't know how to pick your produce. They don't know how to pick your meat. They're just pulling stuff and putting it in a basket and checking it off a list. I don't like that. I feel like they didn't care about my food. The energy transfer was just not good for me. So I stopped doing Instacart, and we have been back on the struggle bus trying to figure out a good method. Of course, with that being said, we end up eating out. Not a whole lot, especially here in the last couple of months. We've been really conscious about cooking at home, and taking food from home to work and different things like that. But it's been a lot. We've been getting it done. It's just been a lot. So I was talking to one of my clients about trying out some of the food services, and she gave me a lot of great tips. Shout out to Deandra. And also, I was talking to another one of my clients randomly about, you know, me going on this journey of trying to eat better for my body type and my goals and different things like that. And she mentioned HelloFresh. She's tried a whole lot of other carriers, but she mentioned that she enjoyed HelloFresh the most. Their meals were really good, and she just had a lot of great reviews. And she also had a free box for your girl. So she was like, girl, yeah, they send me free boxes all the time. If you want to give them a try, you can try them out and just pay shipping, and they'll send you a box. Boom, cool. Today I am sharing with you guys my unboxing of our first HelloFresh box. We got 3 meals and we got 2 servings. So 3 meals with 2 servings worth. I don't know what's in here. I've been at work all day. Thankfully the box came before Bae had to go to work, so she was able to put the box in the house. But from me picking it up, it feels like it's probably some cold stuff in here. So I just got off work. It's late at night, and I didn't want to miss this opportunity to share this unboxing with you guys. So we're just gonna get right on into it. I have on my pajamas. It says sleep to dream. I was like, you know what, I'm not taking this shirt off. This is fine. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so on the box it has some steps. Let's see, it's kind of heavy, but y'all see the steps. 1 unpacked kit bags, 2 empty ice packs, 3 visit our site, and 4 break it down. On the box, that is. But feel free to do a little dance while you recycle it. Okay. I like that they assume that I recycle. I should recycle. Maybe that's a sign. So let me tell you guys a little bit about my experience with ordering. Super easy, especially being that it was free. My client sent me a link to the free box, and I clicked on the link. I signed up, and it gave me the options. I could choose between having 3 meals for 2 servings. I think it was 3, 5, and 6 meals. If I decided to get any more than 3 meals, those meals I was gonna have to pay a certain fee, but it was still highly discounted. We decided to do the 3 meals and get the free trial just to see if we would like it, to see how convenient it was for us. Honestly, how convenient it truly was for us and how it worked first. So we just paid $8 and some change for shipping. And when did we order? We ordered it, I want to say we ordered it Sunday or Monday of this week, and today's Friday. So it took about 4 to 5 days or so to come in. Once I open the box, we got a Hello Delicious Deals. Okay, these are special offers that they have, promoting they people that they work with. Okay, then I might check some of them out. Okay, cool. Probably some more all natural healthy stuff from one of their cousins or friends or brothers or something. They trying to help. I feel you on that, because if I ever have a box of something and my friends doing some stuff that y'all can buy, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I think these are the meal cards. This is the next thing I get to. Herby chicken over lemony spaghetti. It tells me what my ingredients are, what it should look like, and then the instructions are on the back. Old Bay buttered up chicken with garlic mashed potatoes and roasted veggies. That is that. And then we have an Italian noodle soup with chicken sausage, farfalle pasta, and Parmesan toast. That looks so good. Oh, wait, okay. I do want to mention this before I get into the food. We selected these 3 meal options. Whenever you go on to place your order, they'll show you what the meals are for the week, based off how many meal options you select. So we selected 3, so they showed us the 3 main options, but you do have the option to customize those meals and select from another list of other options of meals that they are making that week or can send you that week. So we did swap out 2 of them. I don't remember what the originals was, but whatever it was, Brittany didn't eat it, so we swapped those 2 for 2 other meals that we both ate. So you do have the option to customize quite a bit with HelloFresh, so I did like that aspect. For me, okay, this is the Old Bay buttered up chicken. I just opened it to see how they had this here. Okay, let me see. What is this? Okay, so we have green beans. I guess this is letting me know this is all the stuff that goes with the Old Bay buttery chicken. We got green onions. Even send the actual potatoes. How cute. What is this? Sour cream. Oh, they send you everything. What is this? Hot sauce. Okay then, got your Old Bay. And we got some carrots. So this is already letting me know, pulling it out the bag, that we got some damn chopping and screwing to do. So I'm already seeing off bat, this is not like a pop in the microwave, pop in the oven and go type of thing, which I'm okay with that. Brittany loves to cook. I also love to cook, but she absolutely love cooking. So when it comes to chopping and cutting and chopping and screwing, baby, she here for it. So we'll be doing some prepping, I see. That's fine. Probably gonna keep it in the bag just because I don't know. I probably would forget what go with what and just kind of probably mess it up. We got meal number 2. This is the Irby chicken over lemony spaghetti. So for that, we got Parmesan cheese, cucumber, and I really love how these vegetables ain't big as hell. Like some of the stuff you go to the store, you be like, now I know a lemon is not the size of a grapefruit. Why are they telling me this is an organic lemon? Just saying. Speaking of lemons, we got a real lemon. Le Spaghetti. Custom blend by So Delizioso. And it is a Z. Italian seasoning. Okay, got a little seasoning. And sour cream. Clearly they like to cook with sour cream. Okay, we must have been missing out. And meal number 3, we have the Italian noodle soup. I'm hoping that the soup is at least put in the oven, but we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, we got a whole damn bag of spinach. That shit ain't put in the damn oven at all, honey. They said, no, baby, you gonna cook this for our bread, for our toast. And it's all the bread, thank you, because it's all the bread I need. Because knowing me, I would have a whole loaf, the whole size of this bag. And that's what I mean by carbs be doing me in. Little small bag, and it's literally 2 servings worth of food. Because we are working on our serving sizes. So this is right up our alley. Chili flakes and garlic powder. Some more carrots. A whole damn onion. Tomato. What is this? Chicken. It just say chicken on it. I'm assuming this might be some chicken broth or chicken flavor, bouillon or something, liquefied. I don't know, but it's some chicken stuff that we're gonna use for the pasta. Okay, that is that. It's something else in my bag as well. Got to be meat. So they had this in there. Don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. Okay, here is the ice bag that they had in there, and it really worked because everything is cold. Well, I love how they're promoting doing right by the universe and for yourself and your body. Oh, and the little chicken stuff. Okay, so we got my little chicken cutlets, Italian chicken sausage. I like that. No pork or beef, and another chicken cutlet. Okay, another bag of ice. And that is a wrap, people. that is a wrap on our first HelloFresh box unboxing. If you enjoyed seeing what was in my box, give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys are working on your health as well. If you are, leave me a comment below and let me know if you've tried HelloFresh or if you tried any other food delivery service, or what do you do to eat right for your body? What's your go-to eating habit, eating routine? How y'all do it? I just be like, so you got kids and a man, a job, a side hustle, and y'all be eating at home? How y'all do it? Please help me. Please give me some tips in the comments below. So I think I will make a video making one of the meals, because the package, the seasoning was a little small. I wasn't gonna say nothing, but that was a little. I'll be sure to upload a video and make a video especially for you guys, showing you how easy or not cooking the first meal is, how it tastes, and all that good jazz. Y'all stay tuned. Be sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next upload. And I'ma see y'all. I'ma just see y'all when I'm fine, when I'm getting all my stuff, when I'm with my muscles and the bingo wings is all the way gone. I'ma really pull up on y'all.